chat header done and chat itself. Next is message list. Command P imlist gets us right there. So there's not much in here, right? Pretty much we're just looping over an array and spitting out a bunch of message. But if you actually look at static.html in the other file, or in the other project, and find message list, there it is. There's a little more in there. There's the room announcement. So I'll throw that in here real quick. I'll throw that just inside message list. We could totally make that a separate component. In the real world, I probably would, but we don't need to do that for right now. So that should be class name, of course, instead of class. Then it's just the messages. So here's what I copied out of there. And then I pasted it in and just changed class to class name. Style-wise, what do we have in message list? Message list itself, the room announcement, and the H3 inside the room announcement. All right. Again, nothing tricky, so no Aphrodite. Say const styles equals an object. So I have one for message list itself. I've got styles for the room announcement. And I've got styles for the H3 inside there. So for the list, I have background color, flex 1, padding bottom, overflow Y. For the room announcement, just some padding. And for message list H3, just a font size. So, get rid of all my semicolons, replace them with commas. Quote all of my values that need quoted. Things like 1 do not need quoted. Camel case where appropriate, so background color, padding bottom, overflow Y instead of dash Y, that would be just capital Y. Font size, capital S. That ought to do it. So then I just need to apply these styles. So message list here goes on message list itself. Style equals styles dot message list. Room announcement. Style equals styles dot room announcement. And the H3 style equals styles dot H3. Oops. Okay, that leaves some space for this. There's not enough on here to see, but you can see now that the message form is all the way at the bottom. So that's how we want it, right? No matter how many messages are here, we want the message form to always be at the very bottom. No, it doesn't look like much yet. But we've got this styled appropriately. So looking at our components, if we look at chat, chat's all this stuff on the right. Here's chat header. Here's message list. That's almost the whole rest of the page with message form at the very bottom. Cool. So here's my message list component. Style message list. All right, let's take 10 minutes, wake up, come back, do a few more of these components, and then we'll do something totally new.